Hello CIS scholars. I hope you all are doing great. I am Deepa Kataria, Max educator from Countryside International School. So scholars, today we are here to revise all the concept of our unit 2, that is addition and subtraction. Okay, first of all we'll start with addition. Okay, what is addition? Finding the total sum of two or more numbers. We'll start with example. Find the sum of 1 lakh 219 plus 99,467. These terms are known as addends, okay, because we are adding these terms, and after adding we get the answer which is known as sum. Okay, now for adding, first of all arrange this number in column according to the place value chart. I have arranged these numbers in column according to the place value chart, that is ones under ones, tens under tens, hundred under hundred, and so on. Now we'll start adding. We have to always start from ones place, so we'll start from ones place. The digits at one place are 9 plus 7. What is 9 plus 7? Is 16. It means 6 ones and 1 10. So we will write 6 at ones place and we will carry forward 1 to the tens place. Okay. Now we will add the digit of tens place, that is 1 plus 6 plus 1. So 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. Now we'll add the digits of next higher place value, that is 100. 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Next we will add the digits of 1000. 0 plus 9. Here 0 property of addition we will apply. 0 plus 9 is 9, the number itself. Next we will add the digit of next higher place value, that is 10,000. Again 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. Okay, now we'll add the digit at lakh place, that is 1. Here we don't have any number, so 1 is 1 only. Okay, so what is the sum? 1,99,686. Okay, here 1,219 and 99,467 are added, which you need to be placed exactly one below the other by following the place value chart. And answer of the addition operation is called sum. This is known as sum. Okay, here the sum is 1,99,686. Now we'll see subtraction. Subtraction means taking away something from a group. Okay. Find the difference of 1 lakh minus 99,999. We have to find the difference of these two numbers. Here 1 lakh is mean one, it is a larger number, and 99,999 is a subtrahend. For subtraction, first of all arrange the numbers according to the place value chart. Okay, I have arranged the numbers according to the place value chart in column, and now we'll start subtracting from ones place. Okay, now see 0 minus 9. 0 minus 9, is it possible? No, it's not possible. So what we'll do, we will borrow from the next higher place value, that is from tens. But again at tens we can see that it's 0. We cannot borrow from 0. Same at 100 we have 0. 1000 we have 0. 10,000 we have 0. We cannot borrow from 0. So we will borrow from lakhs place. We have 1 at lakhs place. So this 1 will be reduced by 1 digit and it will become 0, and here this 0 will become 10. Okay. Now see what we have to do. Now this 10 will be reduced by 1, that is 10 will become 9, and here this 0 will become 10. Okay, now we will give 1 to the 100 place. So for by giving 1 to the 100s place, this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Again, what we'll do, we will give 1 to the 10s place. So this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now again we will give 1 to the 1s place. So this 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now we can subtract, that is 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. Next we'll go to the tens place. 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9 is 0, subtracting from itself. Okay, again 9 minus 9 will be 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 9 0, and here 0 is 0. So difference is 1. Okay, so we arrange the given numbers in column, minuend on the top, that is larger number on the top, and subtrahend under it, following the place value chart, and subtracted as shown above. So the difference is of 1. That is, the difference between 1 lakh minus 99,999 is 1. Now we'll see the next concept, that is profit and loss. If cost price is equal to rupees 15,000 and selling price is equal to rupees 17,000. Okay. From this we can see that selling price is greater than cost price, and when selling price is greater than cost price, there is a profit. Okay. So how much profit? We will find that by the formula, that is profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. What is selling price? 17,000. 17,000 minus 15,000. When we will subtract this 17,000 and 15,000, we will get profit of rupees 2,000. Okay. So what is definition of profit? If the selling price is greater than cost price, the difference is called profit. Now next example we will see, if cost price is 19,100 and selling price is 18,900, okay, we have to find whether it is a profit or loss. We can see that cost price is greater than selling price. Okay, when cost price is greater than selling price, then there is a loss. Okay, since cost price is greater than selling price, there is a loss. So what is formula for loss? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. What is cost price given? 19,100, and what is selling price given? 18,900. We will subtract these two. Okay, so we will get loss of rupees 2,000. Okay, when cost price is greater than selling price, then there is a loss. Okay, and what is definition for loss? If the cost price is greater than selling price, the difference is called loss. Now we will revise the next concept, that is finding the cost price when selling price and profit or loss is given. First example we have, selling price is equal to rupees 100 and profit is equal to rupees 22. In this selling price and profit is given, we have to find cost price. So we know that formula for finding cost price when selling price and profit is given is cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Okay, what is selling price? Rupees 100 and profit is rupees 22. So we will subtract these two to get the cost price. So 100 minus 22 is equal to 78. So the cost price is rupees 78. Okay. Now we'll see next example in which selling price and loss is given. Okay. So selling price is equal to 5,000 and loss is equal to rupees 500. What we need to find? We need to find cost price. So we know the formula for finding cost price when selling price and loss is given. We need to add these selling price and loss values. Okay, so selling price is equal to rupees 5,000 plus loss is equal to rupees 500, which is equal to 5,500 rupees. Okay, so the cost price is 5,500. So next concept is finding the selling price when cost price and loss or profit is given. Okay. So first example we have here, cost price is equal to rupees 800 and profit is equal to rupees 50. Okay. Cost price and profit is given. We have to find selling price. So for finding selling price, we know the formula, that is selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Okay, so cost price is rupees 800, profit is rupees 50. So when we will add these two, we will get the selling price. So 800 plus 50 is equal to 850. So the selling price is rupees 850. Now next is find selling price when cost price is equal to rupees 90 and loss is equal to rupees 5. Here cost price and loss is given. We have to find selling price. So what is formula for finding selling price? When cost price and loss is given, we have to subtract cost price and loss. That is 90 minus 5. 90 minus 5 is equal to rupees 85. So selling price is rupees 85. Okay. Now we will recap all the formulas we learned in this unit. So first is profit, which is equal to selling price minus cost price. Next, cost price, which is equal to selling price minus profit. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay, cost price is equal to selling price plus loss. Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Okay, learn these formulas properly. Okay scholars, so thank you. Here we have completed our unit 2. We will be sending you revision worksheet. Please scholars watch these revision videos properly and carefully. These videos will help you to solve your revision worksheet. Okay, and do take care of yourself. Thank you scholars.